Unwrapping the Meaning of Lunch Date. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful expression that's common in English conversations. Lunch date. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these phrases is key to sounding like a native speaker. So let's get started. A lunch date is a phrase that refers to a meeting scheduled during the lunch hour where food is typically involved. It's a casual term, often implying a friendly or social encounter, rather than a professional meeting. This could be a get-together between friends, a casual date, or a light-hearted meeting between colleagues. In the social realm, a lunch date often suggests a personal connection. If someone asks you out for a lunch date, it usually means they want to spend time with you in a relaxed setting, enjoy good food, and engage in personal conversation. It's less formal than a dinner date and seen as more of an easygoing interaction. Professionally, a lunch date can be a way to discuss business in a less formal environment. It's a chance to step out of the office, break bread, and build relationships. While the conversation may steer towards work, the atmosphere is generally more congenial and less pressured than typical business meetings. Let's look at some examples of how to incorporate lunch date into your English conversations. I have a lunch date with an old friend tomorrow. We're catching up after years. Our boss scheduled a lunch date to discuss the new project informally. Would you like to have a lunch date with me next week? And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, lunch date. We hope this video has shed some light on this charming term and you feel confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so enjoy every step. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.